So it's both me and Taylor's first time to try durian. So this is a reaction video to see if we're gonna like it. So this is a fruit from Davao, and it's popular because it smells bad, but it tastes good. I haven't tried, but this is my first time, so I'm excited. Okay, not a sweet. It's soft. I'm gonna show you. Ooh, look at that. That smells. Ah, that's the smell. It's not that bad. How is it?
Not bad. You like it?
I don't think so. Why do people like that?
Cream is good.
This is a durian pancake. Tell your mom you had durian.